So I'm public health nurse Teldra Burrell Lewis,
Okay.
and I work at the St. Catherine Health Department.
All right. Is this your first administration of the COVID
No,
vaccine?
this is not my first administration of COVID vaccine. Yesterday I was at Prison Oval, giving it to the DCS, to the
Okay.
prison ward. And I'm just coming from a police academy, was assisting them in doing the administration. But I know that I need to come down here by 2 o'clock to do the minister, so I left.
What has the
And I'm
feedback
here.
been so far from all the people who have received the vaccines?
For all the people who already received their
Yes,
vaccine,
yes.
just the common side effects for every other vaccine, which is same thing. Probably a swelling in the arm, mild pain in the arm, low-grade fever, and a feeling of being flu-like, which is
Okay.
a little weakness, a little malaise. You just want to rest, you just want to stay in your bed,
So how
but
do-
nothing severe.
How would you say the process has been going so far?
Very, very beautiful, very well, very well.
What are some of the concerns that persons came forward with before you administered the vaccine?
I think it's a matter of being fearful of injection than anything else. When I question them, they would just say, I'm afraid of injection in a nurse, and just calming them down and telling them it's just like any other injection.
These would be
Yeah.
who? Doctors, nurses, police,
Just everybody.
everybody.
Everybody's
From all
afraid
those
of
categories
injection.
that
All the categories.
would be
Police,
going through the process
everybody,
now.
they're all afraid of injection. So that's just the basic thing. They're afraid full of injection. Not they are afraid of the AstraZeneca. They're just being afraid of injection.
Okay.
And the turnout has been good. Many persons, well, the feedback that I get from their colleagues when they come, when they walk on the compound, they're saying so many persons taking. Some of them were stating before that they're not going to take it, but then they actually made up their mind and came out and took it.
All right. Final thing. Roughly how many vaccines have you administered? COVID vaccines
So far,
so far. You personally.
me personally, I don't know the number. I
An
can't tell
idea.
you the number.
An idea.
Yesterday we did. Yesterday we did about 108, and then
You personally?
no, about 108. I probably gave about quarter of that because remember there are about 4 stations set up, so you don't know when you give. Sometimes I'll walk away to do something else, then I come back and I give the vaccine.
Okay.
And I just left JCF. I don't know the total numbers given, so. And I was mainly on the floor trying to organize, so I don't know how many vaccines I've given so far.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
And also the nurses and the, well, healthcare workers, we gave about 70 something on Tuesday. I can't really tell you how many out of that I've given, right?